Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the method of preparing flattened chana namkeen, which is very popular Indian street snack. For that I have taken 2 cups of black chana. Wash it properly and we have to soak it overnight. After that have a look. We get this type of chana then. After that we have to put it in a cooker with 1 glass of water and 1 spoon of oil. Mix it and take 2 whistles on a medium flame. Have a look. Now keep them aside to cool down. It is very hot now. After that I am showing you the method of preparing chana. Now take single chana and press it. But it is a long process and going to take more time. For our next method, you can use paratha cooking wooden tool and can press 8 to 10 at a time. It is faster. You can also use any plate for this. Have a look. It can also press 8 to 10 at a time. Let's see it. We need like this only. Do the same method again. It is easy process. Have a look. Our all chana is ready now. Keep it openly for 20 to 25 hours. We need it to complete dry. It is going to take little bit long time to dry completely. Keep it inside the house. We don't need sunlight. Kept it like this only. It is completely dry now. After that we have to fry these chanas, for which I have taken oil in a vessel. Once it gets hot, you have to take 1 strainer. Let's check the oil temperature first. Now take a strainer to fry the chana. Our flame is medium here. Just have a look to the process. If you directly pour the chana, then it will not get proper cooked. So you have to follow this method. It is going to take 3 to 4 minutes only, as it is completely dry. Just do the way I am showing you. Have a look. It is ready now. Let's check it out as it becomes crispy or not. We are using oil here to fry the chanas. But if you want not to use oil, there is another method also. I am showing that also in the next method. Let's complete this one. Now take a pan and pour the chanas directly without the use of oil. Our flame is medium here. Just remember, this method or this process is going to take 10 to 12 minutes to roast it properly. We are not using oil here, so you can also include this snack for your dieting. After that, I am going to show you how to make masala for it, for which I have taken a jar of mixer grinder and add 1 spoon rock salt, 1 spoon black salt and 1 spoon normal salt. After that, I have added 1 spoon dry mango powder and half spoon roasted cumin seeds. 1 spoon chaat masala, this is optional, and 1 spoon of red chili powder. We don't have to grind it too much, just grind it only once so that all the ingredients mix together. Have a look, it is ready. Here we complete the process. We take chana by 2 methods, one contains oil and one is oil free. Mix masala, onions, tomatoes, lemon and eat tasty and yummy flattened chana masala. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and close ones, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.